CETRÍ drawing Princess XiA III. Let's go. She's elegant and she's pure. She's real to the core. I know I'm just tagging this right now, right? Hey, let's switch it up, folks. Come on. I hear the single voice too. I know. Cabo, this beat like what? This beat by Cabo instrumentals, Cabo beats, whatever it be. He bringing that heat. She's a princess, regarded like a queen, until she married and find that right being. But there's an enemy like that who watches from the side and is concerned. I don't wanna spoil you, it's not that I can't freestyle, I'm just certain not to tell you, but at the same time I wanna tell you, cause we made. But I don't wanna spoil you. Nope, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Hey, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. XiA 1 2 3. XiA 1 2 3. Who she be? Who she be? XiA 1 2 3. XiA 1 2 3. XiA 1 2 3. Who she be? Who she be? XiA 1 2 3. XiA III. XiA III. Princess XiA III. XiA III. Princess XiA III. Yeah, XiA III. I'ma have to make a track for this one. Yeah. Let it rock. No, I'm nothing like you. I am my own being. Respect to whoever is. Just be yourself. Just be yourself. That's what she wanna be. She wanna be herself. Be herself. But everybody try to lead herself. Lead herself. She don't wanna be nobody else. Nobody else. But she's smiling here. I said she's smiling here. I said she's smiling here. I said she's smiling here. But is it real? Is it real? Don't say it too much. Cabo, you crushed this, man. Yeah. Go. So much soul. And we out.